Hey everyone! YouTube recently added an auto-dubbing feature that can change the audio language of your videos. If you're a creator, here's how to turn it off. Start by opening YouTube Studio. Click on Settings in the lower left corner. Go to the Upload Defaults section. Select the Advanced Settings tab. Scroll down to Auto Dubbing and toggle off Allow Automatic Dubbing. And that's how you disable auto dubbing for your uploaded videos. Now, if you're a viewer, there's currently no way to completely turn off auto dubbing. All you can do is manually switch the audio back to your preferred language when available.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.